This Lake Vista Estates home is ready to view in beautiful Bonsall. With panoramic views atop the San Luis Rey horse training track, this amazing ranch is centrally located with award-winning schools nearby, as well as the Rawhide Ranch, a children's ranch camp and event center. The curb appeal of this home is obvious, but you will really feel at home when you step inside. Some homes just feel good, and this one does. The wood-beamed cathedral ceilings with expansive views from the family room, past the breakfast nook, and into the kitchen are fantastic. There's a built-in sub-zero fridge. Notice the carvings in the cabinets. There are granite countertops, and there's a walk-in pantry and built-in desk area. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath estate offers so many options. Like this room that overlooks the backyard, it makes for a bright office or a spacious bedroom. There's also a private wing off of the kitchen with a bedroom and en-suite, ideal for extended family or out-of-town guests. And you can gather for meals and conversations for those special family get-togethers in this formal dining room and formal living room. This ranch really has that sprawling feel to it. The arched doorways and arched windows throughout the home just add so much charm and warmth. Now, this front-facing room is used as a game room, but could serve as a bedroom or office. The skylight floods this hallway with natural light as we make our way to the master. This room has its own gas fireplace, and the cathedral wood ceilings make it so romantic. The sliding doors lead to the back patio that wraps around the entire home and overlooks the rolling hills of this tranquil region. Those solar panels that you see belong to the house. In this spa-inspired bath, you can ease on into some more serenity. Check out this elegant soaking tub. If you're up for entertaining in style, the massive family room comes with a well-designed and handsome wet bar, along with another gas fireplace with a beautiful mantel. Check out the carved ceiling above the breakfast nook. It's details like that that will make you fall in love with this home. The backyard offers more of that great feeling. Check out this waterfall pond, very zen-like, to add to this private sanctuary. Off to the side of the house, you have your own private in-ground jacuzzi, and there's plenty of room to add a swimming pool. You're sitting on 2.5 acres, part of which is fenced. The home has a 3-car garage and central AC. Just 11 miles to the west, and you will be at the Pacific Ocean to watch a glorious sunset.